All right, guys, I'm out here messing with the 3800 swap. I've got this misfire that I can't figure out. I think I just figured it out. Apparently I have to be smarter when I work on a car. Let's show you what I found. All right, so right here I have the wiring diagram for this engine. Cylinder 4 has been my misfire. You see pink is the power to the injector, and light blue with black is the ground, which is switched by the PCM. Okay, the middle injector here is cylinder 4. Yeah, that is not blue and black. That is green and black. You go over to number 1, right here. Sorry for the poor lighting. Yeah, that one's blue and black. And amazingly, cylinder 2 is supposed to be light green and black. So some idiot can't read his wire colors and figure out which cylinder is which. So let's swap these around and see how it runs. All right, got them switched around. Let's see what it does. I can tell you already it feels like it's running better. We'll let it warm up and see if it did the trick. All right, so switching those injector wires around have made this run a little bit better, but I still have a misfire, about 2200 to 2800 RPM, and then when you're driving it, wide open throttle, cylinder 1 and 4, no matter what I do. I've swapped coils, I've swapped plugs around, I've swapped fuel injectors around, I've swapped the spark plug wires around, always 1 and 4. So today we have some other parts to try. I picked up an ignition module. I'll try another ignition module. And then I have some new auto light plugs. They're what ZZ Performance recommended to use on this. And yeah, we're gonna see if this makes a difference. I hope so, because nothing else has. So my coils are mounted behind the battery back there. So to pull the battery and pull the coils to get the ignition module out of there, swap this new one in, and see what it does. So let's get to work. All right, so I got the ignition module in. Let's see if it starts. Ignore the parking brake chime that won't stop. Well, it starts up good. Let's get it hooked up to the scan tool and see if we still have a misfire. All right. So, got my scan tool here. Got the car running. Yep, it's a Buick. I'll tell you what, just sitting here with this thing idling, it idles a little bit smoother than it did. Let's see, data display, misfire data. You can see that was history from before. This is the current. Let's bring the RPM up a little bit and see. See, right in here I would be picking up all kinds of misfires. And now it is running perfectly smooth. And it revs a lot faster. So let's take it for a quick drive and see if it's better. Because the previous drive that I took, which I probably have already put in this video, it depends on how I edit it. You can hear the supercharger and I'm accelerating, but it's not that fast. So let's go take it for a drive now. Well, it runs good, it's fixed. I'm being carjacked. So yeah, now we just gotta do some drag racing and find out what this thing runs. I'm happy with it. Idle's good. Just cleaned it up. That center grate is gonna get painted. The scoop is in the process of getting worked on. That'll be painted. It's all going to be painted black. So that's the next project. That and do wipes. So yeah, I can finish this video up now. See you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Take care. Be safe.